How is the weather today? It's cloudy and rain. It is also cold. Susie likes rain. Doesn't. Rain is terrible and doesn't have a umbrella of a cold today, but have another cold in the office. When can use it? Secretary conversation A in the studio. Hi Susie, good morning Rob. How's the weather today? It is cold and raining outside. I don't not happy. Oh, I like rain. It is fun. Rain is terrible. It is make me cold and wet. Okay, rain can make you cold and wet, but you can also play in rain. Conversation B in the jungle cafe. And you very wet, I know. It is raining today. Where is your coat? Coat. I don't have a coat today. I left it in my umbrella at home. Oh no, well I have another card in the office. You can use it. Thank you, Tara. That is very kind. But here ends conversation C in the studio. It is still.
Is it still raining? be动 SVING 嘛 Is it still raining?
It is still raining. No, it is not raining now. But the sky still is very cloudy. I'm cold. Are you? No. My coat is very warm, and I have a cup of tea. Can I have a cup? Sure, here. You can have some. Thank you, Susie. That is great.
好。